Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to the Pepe update today. Have you watched the Bitcoin update? You must watch the Bitcoin update. It's an 8-minute long video, which is important right now because Bitcoin, oh man, Bitcoin halving is tomorrow. Biggest event ever. And the thing is that I kind of expect Bitcoin to drop to $52,000. So Pepe is definitely going to be in trouble a little bit. Bitcoin, unfortunately, has a pattern, a double top that shows $52,000 may be something that is happening in a while. Now, Pepe, on the other hand, has a little bit of this pattern right over here. And it's ironic that Pepe didn't really go back for the retest. I was expecting that at some point we might see this retest up to 7,000 and eventually drop to the downside. So we have a pattern for Pepe as well, and this is going to be from top to bottom, and we might actually see a move all the way down. Actually, the technical target pretty much was met, 379 and something like that. So you have a very big one support moving forward, coming up near 400 as well. Right now, you're sitting at 475. So there could be chances we visit that again, and you can see that you had your support here, you moved up again, you touch it right here, you move up again, and we might see another move down, and the lowest you can go is maybe to 341. But I've told you one thing, that on the weekly time frame, there's this last place where if Pepe visits, it's still okay, right? And that's going to be this weekly pattern here at 280. That's where we may see maybe the very, very, very last touch and consolidate until you don't start to go back to the moon one more time. And that's all for this update, quick one. And I'm going to see you the next one in the office.